BQ.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of New BQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz, and today we are cooking up some more bacon. That's right, we're sticking with our bacon trend that we've been doing lately. Today we are doing bacon twists. I don't know if you guys ever seen these videos floating around the internet about twisting the bacon and smoking it or cooking it or whatever. So that's what we're going to do, but we are going to add just a little bit of brown sugar and some seasoning to it to see if it kind of steps it up just a notch, you know what I mean? So let's get to it, let's get after it. I got some bacon, I'm going to go get the seasoning, and we're going to get these suckers on the smoker. So we have the bacon on the smoker. We're just going to let that smoker do its thing. Hopefully that bacon will crisp up and turn into a nice juicy little, or maybe not juicy, maybe more crispy bacon, I guess is what we're going for. So we want to do crispy bacon twists, and hopefully it works. You know, you see these videos out there on the internet. You never know whether or not it, you know, is going to turn out when you try it. So let's just see what happens, okay? That's what we're going to do. Also, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you get all the notifications. Give me a thumbs up because that really helps me out, get my videos seen. And also follow me on all my social medias at Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter is NewBQ2020, NEWBQ 2020. And also follow me on TikTok at NewBQ Backyard Barbecue. Now, I've been putting a lot of my TikToks on my Facebooks and Instagrams, stuff like that. Just trying to share everything I can to the Reels section. So if you don't really like TikTok, but you like my Facebook or Instagram, or you use Facebook and Instagram, you can find a lot of my TikTok videos on there under my Reels section. So anyway, check those out, guys, and we're going to let it cook. Alright, so I was hoping this bacon would be just a tad bit more crispier, but it's pretty crispy. I'm not going to lie to you, it's not bad. I was just hoping to be like almost like just a stick, you know, when you pull it out. But, I mean, it's a little flimsy yet, but looks pretty good. See if we can get you a decent shot of it. There we go, look at that. Nice bacon twist. Alright, so let's give her a shot, shall we? Who doesn't love bacon? I mean, it's just bacon. It's got that little bit of sweetness and a little bit of seasoning that I put on there. It's pretty good. Makes it candied, you know. Not so candied that it's like sticky, but candy that's got a little sweetness to it. It's hickory bacon, so works out. Works pretty good. All right, everyone, that is it for us today. That is it for the bacon twist cook today. Pretty good. I still got my piece here. Pretty good little snack. Something you could probably take to, you know, family dinner or something. You cook up a whole bunch of this bacon. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, and pretty tasty. You know, not gonna lie. It's bacon. I mean, imagine if you go to like an Easter, you know, just because it's been Easter. Imagine if you go to like an Easter dinner or a Christmas dinner or something, just bring a whole bunch of bacon twists. Like, I mean, come on, you're probably going to win that party over. I'm pretty sure of it. Unless you got a lot of people that are vegans in your family, then maybe not. I don't know. But anyway, that's it for us today. We'll see you guys next time on another episode of New BQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace.